Are you tired of dealing with an itchy, flaky scalp that just won't quit? Imagine a shampoo that not only cleanses but also soothes and repairs your scalp, without the need for a prescription. DERMAE's Scalp Relief Shampoo offers exactly that, combining expert formulation with natural ingredients to bring relief where you need it most. What sets this shampoo apart? It was developed by a doctor specifically to calm irritated scalps. The unique Therapeutic Psorzema Herbal Blend works hard to reduce dryness and flakiness, while gentle tea tree oil supports ongoing scalp health. Together, these ingredients create a multi-action formula that tackles scalp issues from the root, literally and figuratively. The benefits don't stop there. This all-natural formula uses tea tree and menthol to deliver immediate cooling relief from itching. Salicylic acid helps lift away stubborn flakes and buildup, while Aloe Vera Extract soothes irritation and Provitamin B5 deeply nourishes and hydrates your scalp. The result is a cleaner, calmer scalp that feels refreshed and balanced. One of the best parts? DERMAE's Scalp Relief Shampoo is gentle enough for daily use. Simply massage it into wet hair and let it work for up to 5 minutes before rinsing. For optimal results, pair it with DERMAE's Scalp Relief Conditioner to lock in moisture and maintain scalp health. Plus, it's 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and free from harsh chemicals like parabens and sulfates, making it a smart choice for clean beauty lovers. If you've been searching for a natural, effective way to calm your scalp and reduce flakes, this shampoo is worth a look. It's designed to bring real, visible changes to your scalp health, so you can enjoy comfort and confidence every day. Try it when you're ready to experience soothing scalp care that works. Ready to take control of your scalp health? DERMAE's Scalp Relief Shampoo offers a doctor-formulated, natural solution that delivers lasting relief and nourishment. Whether you struggle with dryness, itchiness, or flakes, this shampoo helps restore balance and comfort, without compromise. Give your scalp the care it deserves.